Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eva Evelyn. So today I'm doing a video on how to take care of your heel or heel care. Guys, for some reason I just neglected my feet, and let me tell you, everything is solved, but today I'm fixing that. So welcome back. And if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate, and I'm happy for that. For those who always engage with my content, I'm so happy. So this was the condition of my legs. Like you can see, my legs were almost cracking. Can you imagine that? Can you look at that? They were almost cracking. Like, what is this? This was as a result of dead skin. So there are so many reasons why your heel might crack, but for mine it's because of neglecting and not scrubbing my heels. So this could be the reason why yours are also cracking, if and only you have no health issues. For those who will have health issues, please make sure that you see a doctor. For those of us who are lazy to scrub our legs, please can we gather here, because we need to fix this. Okay, yeah, so subscribe and stay tuned as we start this video. So bicarbonate of soda always helps me in soaking my legs. So it always ensures that when I dip my legs in warm water, then I add bicarbonate of soda, it helps in softening of the dead skin, the cuticles, if I'm taking care of the nails and all that. So I've just added bicarbonate of soda on warm water, then I've added body wash. You can use body wash, you can use any detergent, you can use shower gel. Then after that, dip your legs in the water for like 5 minutes. It also depends with how you want your dead skin to soften. So for mine, 10 minutes are enough. Then after that, it's time to work on these legs. Like, I cannot be walking like this, looking like an animal, or what do I say, because my legs are not looking so good. Actually, I was wearing opens and I'm like, oh my goodness. Anyway, don't judge me guys, it's just that at times we don't feel like doing anything, literally, even on our bodies. So but today we are in that mood and in that vibe. So I scrub. I'm using pedicure file. That is what I'm using today to scrub my legs. A new addition. Hi. Yeah, so a new addition, and I'm happy about it. So that is what I'm using to scrub. I think, is it better than a pumice stone? I think they are all the same, because at the end of it all, they are removing the dead skin. So whatever works for you, the better. So you can, to scrub your heels, you can use pumice stone, you can use pedicure file, or any stone, or anything else that can be able to scrub your heel. Yeah, anything else. So guys, as I scrub my legs, please look at the effort that I'm putting. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, for those who always comment, for those who have subscribed, I really appreciate. I'm so happy about that. Yeah, and I think words cannot be able to express how happy I am. Yeah, so for those of you who are watching and they have not subscribed, please support my channel by subscribing. Yeah, so guys, it took some time for me to get rid of all that dead skin. Yeah, but it's so worth it. Yeah, so we do that. So guys, there are so many reasons as to why we get cracked heel, one of it being dead skin. The other reason is because of health conditions, and maybe walking without shoes or standing for long, even weight, can at times lead to cracked heels. So the best thing, if all conditions are constant, that means that you are not sick, you have no health conditions, please ensure that you scrub your heels. Ensure that you scrub your heels. Don't walk on barefoot, because that is also going to make your heels to have a lot of dead skin, which later on leads to the clacking of the heels. And in 2025, we are not doing this. So after scrubbing, guys, it's time to clean up all that dead skin. And after that, I'm just going to soak for some few minutes, more few minutes. Then, because I just wanted to get rid of everything, like I wanted my legs to be so soft and without no dead skin left. So I've used bicarbonate of soda again. I've applied on my legs like that. Then I'm going to use my stone, my usual stone. What am I using? My usual stone. Then I scrub this to ensure that I've gotten rid of like all the dead skin and my legs are looking good and clean. Then after that, I'm going to use my pedicure glove. Then have added soap, and then I'm going to add bicarbonate of soda. Then I scrub the upper part of the legs like that and ensure that everywhere is clean and there is no dead skin. Even the heel, I'm going to over scrub it. Like, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that to the both legs, and then after that, rinse off. And this is the final results. Everything looks good, so ensure that you moisturize. So I'm going to moisturize, and then after that, I'm going to wear my socks. So bye bye, and make sure that you subscribe. See you.